Dodge Charger.
This is what it looks like. Qualified third. Very good, very fast, very
Got outrun on that one. 791 for the Camaro, and power goes 1320. Final Lucas Oil Top Sportsman. Doesn't catch him at the top end. The Henry J broke out 0.08 of a second. Stock Eliminator. Shades of Yanko. Doug Lambic. A stock automatic. Got a Mopar coming down for the final in Stock Eliminator. Did he get him at the stripe? He did. Lower car got him at the stripe. 911 at 132. Camaro goes 1057 at 108. Here comes our stalkers. Yins and Nick. 980 dial, so the Camaro will leave first. Challenger leave first. Here we go. Playing the stripe. And he takes the stripe. Trumbull. Huh. Super count. Run 890. Go too fast, you lose. Light, right lane again. 886, double breakout to 884. Same deal here, 990 now. You want to run 990, 9.9 seconds. If you go too fast, you lose. Again, that body design makes it very easy to look over and gauge where your opponent's at. Because you got to figure out when you get down to the end of the racetrack, do you want to push him out and make him go too fast? Or is he giving you room to... It's a lot of head games in this deal. Final round of Sportsman Eliminators here at the Supergrip Thunder Valley Nationals 2026 Bristol Dragway. A couple of more rounds of the pro cars to run due to the weather, but they'll be back. Meanwhile, let's see what happens. Chase him way down there. There's the stripe. He pushed him out. 994. He was 988. He heard him coming in the background, couldn't afford to lift, and that's why you have more motor. And anyway, that's it for Sportsman Racing here at Bristol 2026.